Welcome to a fresh new year. As we step into 2025, you might be wondering, how can I be more productive this year? The answer starts with improving yourself, especially in effective communication. Whether you want to excel at work, connect better, or express yourself confidently, this is the perfect time to begin. Today, we'll share 30 powerful phrases, vocabulary words to enrich your speech, 20 creative ways to say Happy New Year, and 10 achievable goals to enhance your language skills this year. Register now with ACA to learn 100% online with certified and licensed English educators based in America. Don't miss this opportunity to level up your English skills from the comfort of your home. Let's get started. 30 phrases with vocabulary words. Wishing you a prosperous new year filled with opportunities and success. This year, I plan to embark on a journey of personal growth. The new year is a perfect time to reflect on past experiences. Let's celebrate this momentous occasion with joy. May your goals be attainable and your efforts consistent. Start the year with determination and a positive mindset. Here's to creating memorable moments in 2025. Set your intentions clearly for a productive year ahead. I aim to enhance my vocabulary by reading more books. The new year brings a fresh slate to pursue our dreams. Let's be resilient in the face of challenges this year. Cheers to embracing change and stepping out of comfort zones. This is the year to cultivate meaningful relationships. Approach each day with enthusiasm and gratitude. I hope you find clarity in your goals this new year. It's the perfect time to revamp your study routine. Success comes from consistency and dedication. Let's stay committed to self-improvement. May your year be filled with serendipitous moments. The new year is a chance to rectify old mistakes. This year, I'm devoted to expanding my horizons. A new year calls for a fresh perspective on life. Make your efforts intentional and focused. Let's take a leap of faith in pursuing our passions. A new year inspires us to ignite our creativity. Take the time to appreciate the little things in life. The new year offers us an abundance of opportunities. Start each day with a sense of purpose. Let's aim to be mindful and live in the present moment. Embrace the new year with optimism and hope. Now, let's take a moment to revisit the vocabulary words we've discovered within the 30 phrases. Prosperous, successful, and wealthy. Opportunities, chances for success or improvement. Embark, to begin a journey or project. Reflect, to think deeply or carefully. Momentous, very important or significant. Attainable, achievable or reachable. Consistent, steady and reliable. Determination, strong will to achieve something. Intentions, plans or purposes. Enhance, to improve or make better. Pursue, to actively work towards something. Resilient, able to recover quickly from setbacks. Embracing, accepting with enthusiasm. Cultivate, to develop or grow something. Enthusiasm, great excitement or interest. Clarity, clear and easy to understand. Revamp, to improve or update. Dedication, devotion to a purpose. Committed, loyal and devoted. Serendipitous, happening by lucky chance. Rectify, to correct or fix something. Devoted, loyal and caring deeply. Perspective, a way of looking at something. Intentional, done with purpose. Faith, strong belief or trust. Ignite, to spark or start something. Appreciate, to value or be grateful for. Abundance, a large amount of something. Purpose, the reason for doing something. And now, here's the best part. Let's dive into 20 creative and exciting ways to say Happy New Year and make your greetings truly stand out. Wishing you a joyful and fulfilling New Year. Here's to an incredible year ahead. Cheers to new beginnings and endless possibilities. May your year be as bright as your dreams. A year full of happiness and success awaits you. Let's welcome 2025 with open hearts and minds. Here's to health, wealth, and endless adventures. Wishing you peace, love, and prosperity this year. Have an amazing year filled with unforgettable moments. To a year of achievements and cherished memories. Make this year your best one yet. Sending you endless blessings for the new year. May this new year bring you closer to your goals. Here's to turning dreams into reality in 2025. Have a fantastic year filled with laughter and love. Let's make this new year one to remember. Wishing you strength and success in the year ahead. Cheers to growth, learning, and accomplishments. Let's toast to another year of friendship and fun. Here's hoping 2025 brings you everything you deserve. Last but not least, let's explore 10 inspiring New Year goals to elevate your English learning journey. Expand vocabulary, learn 5 new words daily and practice using them. Daily practice, spend at least 20 minutes speaking English every day. Read more, explore English books, articles, or blogs on topics you enjoy. Watch and listen. Watch English movies and listen to podcasts to improve comprehension. Join a class. Enroll in an online English course for structured learning. Engage in conversations. Speak with native speakers or join language exchange groups. Master grammar. Focus on improving specific grammar points each month. Keep a journal. Write daily reflections in English to enhance writing skills. Take mock tests. Prepare for exams like IELTS to track progress. Set realistic goals. Break larger goals into manageable tasks to stay motivated. With these phrases, vocabulary, and achievable goals, you're set to make 2025 your best year for learning English. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your skills grow. Register now to speak like a native and elevate your conversations to the next level. For more info, check out the description. Wishing you a successful and joyful new year. If you have any questions, do comment. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Happy learning!